Howdy folks, how's it going? Nate's here. I engraved the Zippo and I wanted to show you guys. So this is the front side. You can see the pharaoh on the front side looking pretty pharaohistic. And on the back side we have his wife, I suppose, showing them little, you know what. It was a fun project. Initially the Zippo was cherry red all the way uh, on the outside, but I tried to engrave it, and it's I don't know, it's kind of enamel or something like that, so it's impossible to engrave. At least for me, it didn't even scratch the surface. So I polished it and engraved it in the front and in the back. It has a brass housing on the inside, so brass could be engraved quite good. And yeah, it was a fun project, and I'm quite happy with it. I used 120-degree graver to engrave this using my handpiece, and that's the finished product. You can see down in the bottom. The Zippo, it's C, so ABC, January, February, March of 2010. And that's it. Hopefully I have some new nice projects in the future. I'm gonna engrave my airsoft pistol, which is plastic. I'll see how that goes. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.